टाटा। मैं ऊपर से देख के बता सकता हूँ दिस हाईक्यू मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, फिर मैं थोड़ा मिस आउट कर गया था, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू ऑलवेज बीइंग अ फैन एंड आई नो दिस एंड ब्लू लॉक, these are the main thing if you are in the sports Haikyu, and it started with क्या बोलते हैं Inazuma 11, and I love sports. It seems more believable because you know that scenarios and things and outshine and this, and you should definitely watch it. And I just always, whenever I like something, I always try to read, and it says MRP 9,900, but हमें I think 1,000 something का पड़ा है. I'll give you the exact price ऊपर. So this says Arsun, sorry if I'm reading it wrong. This is इस साइड से ऐसे दिखता है, and box set 1 to 11 Haikyu. So let's just open it up, and this kind of a thing you can actually keep it in your shelf. ऐसे है तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा कि you can just keep that in your shelf. And let's start. This is 11th, so let's just flip it up यहाँ से, and this is one, और हमेशा यहाँ से start होता है Shonen Jump, and wow, looks nice. I know the story, so, and it, those frames, everything, he got rejected, he is the one person, blah blah blah, and it's very high octane, like, and you would love it if you want, if you volleyball वगैरह. And this is a little क्या बोलते हैं glossy, but it looks good, like print is very good, except for this portion where print is not that great. Just see, you won't be okay. Next, this is second Haikyu, story and art by Haruichi Furudate. Sorry if I'm misspelling, but yeah, just zip through it, just see. This is good quality, like I would definitely tell you this is good quality. A lot has to do with, मतलब उसका art भी सही रहना चाहिए उसके हिसाब से. This is the third one, see, and please let me know, is it a real one, is it a fake one? Comment and what I should review next, because this is for the manga fans, and I think मैं यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचा हूँ तो मेरे लिए spoiler रहेगा, but anyhow I would read, and उससे उतना कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, like you just have book, you can read it. मैं ऐसे देख रहा हूँ ताकि आपको इस चीज़ का आइडिया हो जाए. This is 5th, and इसका कॉस्प्ले सबसे ईजीएस्ट रहता है, वैसे टी शर्ट पहने चले गए और मिल भी जाता है वो टी शर्ट. एंड दिस इज 6th. यहाँ पे अगेन द क्वालिटी इज़ नॉट दैट ग्रेट, मतलब कवर का तो स्पेशली, बट आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू रीड, दैट्स. सो दिस इज 7th. जस्ट क्विकली see, the quality is amazing, like really really good. This is 8th, like you can feel it, like so good of a quality. This is 9th. Isn't it cool? And you can also see the print quality types, that is also nice. This is 10th, and I love the artworks and everything, and it's very like action, मतलब very much action frames, and it's very like realistic. Of all the things, these are glossy, but just this one is very matte for some reason. I think this might be special something, and this books also looks something different, so इसका quality बाकी सबसे better है. तो yeah, link in the description, please like buy from the link in the description. This is matte, बाकी सब ऐसे ही है, but अब ख़राब नहीं है, but so yeah, Haikyu and all of that, link in the description. Bye bye, thank you.